Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Diof. In today's video, we are reviewing another wig from Curly Me Hair. This one is a Water Wave 26 inches, 13 by 4 frontal. And yeah, just showing you guys how I look. So this is how the lace looked, and then this is how the lace looked when I put my powder on it, and this is how it looks on my forehead. So I'm just going ahead and cutting the sides, and then I'm going to section the front so that it's easier for me to glue it down. So I'm using my Ghost Bond glue. I have yet to find a new glue. Or am I being lazy? But this will do for right now, even though I'm doing my wigs on my forehead. The Ghost Bond will do. But once I find a good glue for like lace fronts and that does not pull out your edges, it's lit. So right here, we're just going to blow dry the Ghost Bond until it turns clear. I didn't really wait. That's my problem. Like I said before, I'm very impatient. So I ended up putting it down anyway, but I feel like little mistakes like this, like it could be fixed. Like there's a little white spot, but it could be fixed. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that both sides are glued down and secured. So before I never used to care about my sides, but I don't know, I'm just taking my time and taking it real slow with this hair stuff. So I just perfect my work now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie down the edges and just re-blow dry just so that we make sure that the Ghost Bond is dry. So guys, now I'm just getting my razor blade and I'm just cutting the lace off, very cautiously because I'm just so rough-handed. Like, I'm mad rough for no reason. So I didn't want to cut myself. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty Toffee Tees and I'm putting that all over the front of my lace so that, it looks like even more of my shade. And this is how it looks. And now we're just going to form our part. I decided to do a middle part. I was going to do a side part, but this will probably look cute as a middle part. So right here, I'm just going to bring out the baby hairs and get my wax stick and push all the hair to the back so that it can be separated from the baby hairs. So once you feel like the front is flat to your liking, you're going to lay down your baby hairs. Just to lay it down, it's going to be way more easier. And then you're going to form your part. Again, just make sure that you have a good part so that you can put your concealer. I love doing this now. Like, I love putting concealer on my part so that my part could look crispy clean. So I just wanted the top to be very flat. So I just kept doing the same process over and over again. So now you're just going to go ahead and untie your baby hairs and you're going to razor blade it and you're going to perfect your art. Guys, part of me wanted to leave the hair puffy, but obviously I wasn't going to leave it like that. But this can slide like as a hairstyle. So guys, I'm just going to tie down the front just one more time so that I can get the hair situated. I went ahead and wet the hair. I don't have a spray bottle. I had to go to the bathroom. And then I went in with my conditioner, organic, something like that. I use it all the time. Like, I'm pretty sure y'all know what it is. So I'm putting that all over the hair. And if you don't have that, you can put any curling enhancer in the wig. And it's gonna come out like this because it's water wave. But I was loving the texture. It was fire. And I took out the wrap, and this is just the ending. It was really cute and really fun to put on and, be cute for a while. Shout out to Curly Me Hair for sending me this unit. Bye, guys.